Hey, real quick, I want to show you how easy it is to redeem a Treat Yourself gift card or any of the digitally versed choice gift cards that you see on the market today. So what I love about this is you can redeem it at any of the stores and restaurants listed on the card, but it's a really simple process. I'm going to show you on my laptop here, but I'm also going to show you on my phone. When you open the card, it has a QR code. So we'll talk about that later. But the number one thing you need to do is go to redeem.GiftCards.com. Now, I always tell people, don't do a search because there's spoof sites out there that they create these fake websites to try and get you to enter your card number and PIN so they can take the value of the card. That's actually less of an issue with these multi-store gift cards, but it's a good practice to always just enter the URL directly. By URL, I mean the website address. So up at the very top, you're going to go to redeem.giftcards.com. And then you're going to enter the gift card number and PIN from the back of the card. And that's how you'll start the redeem process. I'm going to show you how easy it is to also do this with a phone. Okay, so I'm on here on my phone. I've got my Treat Yourself gift card. I've got your Treat Yourself gift card. Best thing to do is just go straight for that QR code. And then I can open that. And you see that it also goes to redeem.giftcards.com. Again, you can look there to see they're at the right place. Then you enter the card information and redeem it for the gift cards you want, and it's really easy. After you get the Treat Yourself gift card, whether you receive it on your phone and you can scan the QR code, or you got a physical card with a PIN and everything on the back, or you got an email where you could just click redeem now, it all takes you to redeem.giftcards.com. And on the home page, you're going to enter the card number and the PIN. Once you get in here, though, here's where the magic happens. So in this case, I have a gift card for $25. Now I can redeem it for any and all of these gift cards if I have enough money on the card. So I can redeem it for Athleta for $10. Up to $500, Bed Bath & Beyond, Buffalo Wild Wings, etc., etc. Now, in my case, I'm going to pick Athleta because I like to shop there. So I'm going to pick that. If I had more money, if I had like $100, I could say, well, I'm going to put 20 on Athleta, 20 on Grubhub, 60 on Cheesecake Factory. You can split it up as many ways as you want as long as you have that amount of money on the card. So I'm going to pick the athletic gift card and I'm going to pick the full $25. But again, you could add a custom amount. I'm going to add that to my basket. And then that's all the money I have on my card. You can see the remaining here says 0. So I'm going to go ahead and check out. Once you get here, you're going to say where you want the e-gift card for Athleta or all of the gift cards you selected to be sent. The cool thing is once you receive that e-gift card, it can be used in stores or online. You can download it to your phone, pull it in your Apple Wallet, whatever works for you. It's actually really, really simple. So even though you have to take this extra step to redeem the gift card, to swap it for the ones you want, the gift cards you're going to receive in return are super flexible. And so I really like that. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this information out, and then I will finish the transaction. Okay, and it's that simple. I'm going to get an email that has that e-gift card in it, but I can also view it right here as well. I'm not going to do that because I don't want you to use my gift card that I'm going to go spend at Athleta. Anyway, super easy process. Yes, you have to take the extra step to do a little swap, but once you do, you have a really functional e-gift card that you can use in store and online for the merchants you select. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.